JDCat26 here, just anticipated in hobbies, and Santa Elf came out great. We just removed the supports from him, and then we're gonna probably maybe paint him, and you'll see that in a short. So stay tuned.